Welcome, from the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'll show you how to capture a scrollable screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you will need to open up the anything that is a scrollable content. I will use settings as an example. As you can see, I can scroll down in here, so that will work. So once you find that, what you want to do is simply press power key and volume down, or swipe your palm across the screen. So swipe, and just kind of swipe it like that, or press the keys, two of them together. Now let's allow whatever it pops up with, and when you do it for the first time, you'll get this notification right here, basically telling you what you can see. But anyway, you have the different shortcuts. We're interested in the first one right here with like these arrows pointing down. And when you click on that, it will scroll down, and then you simply press more times on it, assuming you don't actually miss it like I did. So when you click on it, it will keep scrolling down till it reaches the end, at which point it's going to stop. From there, you can simply tap on home, and the screenshots that I have captured can be found in your photo gallery. Once I actually find it, I go photos, so there we go, there is the scrollable screenshot. So that is basically how you'd capture your screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.